Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I have my Heaven Panty here, and I have cats coming through like a smudge, and Camilla's right here. She may pop her head in. Heaven Panty is a monthly subscription. I get one pair. They do have different subscriptions. I have a link below if you're interested in seeing more about it. You give them details about yourself. They ask you a bunch of questions, and they ask you your size. They help you determine your size. The first time you get your package, there will be a measure tape in there so that you can make sure you're getting the right size for you. And they have bras, they have panties, they have other things. You pay $13 for the month, and you get that $13 back in the shop to shop. You also have a stylist that helps you, and you can communicate back and forth with them at any time. And so basically it's really like getting them for free, and they're beautiful. And my refrigerator's making some weird noises. I cut the top off, and you see it comes in a package that nobody will know what you're getting. Nobody will know. And inside they're very nicely packaged as well, and then you get a sneak peek at the color. So I'm not sure what color that is. It's not black, but it's like a smoky, something. Let's see what it is. They have all different sizes. They have all different styles. They have really sexy. They have thongs. They have briefs. They have for maternity. They have maternity as well. These are really pretty. These are valued at $15. I mean, usually they're valued at $15. These say $25 on them. So here is the tag, Heaven Panty, and see, value of $25. These are beautiful. This is a very, what color is this? A smoky gray. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. These are beautiful. Here they are. Look at how pretty the lace is. Their lace is so soft, you would never know you had lace on. You know, a lot of lacy things to me are usually very scratchy and itchy, not with these panties. You have cotton where you need it. And here's the back. So you have full coverage on the back, full coverage on the front, and this beautiful crisscross pattern of this lace. So the lace comes down the sides, and you know, where nice and sexy there. And then this is sewn on here really well. It's not, see, it's not lifting up from there. They are beautiful. That color is gorgeous. It's a really dark gray. And see how pretty the sides are with that lace. Wow, these are really beautiful. Their panties are very beautiful. I've never had one that wasn't pretty. They have fancy, and they have everyday style. I just let them send me what they want to, and if there's ever anything I get that isn't my cup of tea, then I let them know. Like once in a while I might get like a bikini style or something, and you know, I'm more of a brief style. Hang on, Blue. So aren't these beautiful, y'all? Just that color. I'm in love with the color. So that is my Heaven Panty, and Blue is coming over. So, like I said, I have a link below. If you sign up under me, we'll both get $20. I'll get $20 to spend in the shop. You'll get $20 against your subscription, I do believe. Or maybe it goes toward the shop. I can't really remember. They change it up from time to time. And they do have some new sizing. They have larger sizes. And, you know, so they have from small to, I think it might be 4 or 5X they have now, I think. So check them out if you're interested. Very, very pretty. And they wash well. Now, you know, I think they say to hand wash. What I do is I wash them with, you know, depending on, I wash them with my, like this I would wash with my darks. And then I don't put them in the dryer. I hang them up to dry just because I want to protect them. I have accidentally put them in the dryer, and they're just fine. But I do that same thing with my, you know, regular everyday bras. And they do have beautiful bras and sets. They sell sets on their website and everything as well. So that's my Heaven Panties, y'all. Take care, count your blessings. And I thought Blue was gonna look at you and say hello, but you know, y'all take care, bye-bye. You know, y'all, I am gonna forget sometime, but I'm trying to remember to tell you what I'm wearing because a few of you have been inquisitive about it. So on my lips, I am wearing Huda Beauty. This is my lip liner. It is in, it's called Lip Contour, and it's in Heartbreaker. And this is it here. So I used a lip liner today. I don't always use a lip liner, but I have several right here, so I thought I might as well use it. This is, my lippy is MAC, and this is in the color, did I tell you the color of the, yeah, I did, Heartbreaker. The color of this is, oh, I forget which one it is. I looked at it earlier. Ruby Woo, Ruby WOO. So I do have a couple of MAC lipsticks that are red, and this one is Ruby Woo. So it's very, very, this is really like a 1940s red. In my, you know, that's what it looks like to me. And then on my eyes, I have the Color Pop Blow and Smoke. This is plastic, so it's hard to see that. Can you, I don't know if you can see it with the ring light on. It's silver on black, and I've been really loving the Natasha Denona has a fabulous new palette that is all these types of colors, but it's expensive, so I won't be getting it. So it made me, well, I've got some colors like that. So this is what this is. Very smoky. And that's what I have on. So that's what I have on. Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.